Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said?
You see?
Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, sir, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make a good platform, give thanks to that. See? So we woke up on a little story here. So ironically, if you look for me chat, but then I'll tell you the part of the story I keep it. But we come across a little thing here still, and to run right in line with some experience that I have. I go going at some little reflection type thing. See? Yeah. So we always talk about I'm on prison story and things like that, life in a GP, and them really. See? So at one point we talk about the rain and prisoner, how it's like against the law, a water can lose all the work to make rain with a prisoner. See, if we're there and prisoner, rain set up in the sky like rain are gonna fall. See, water start run around you like a hen round her chicken there. And a penny up and get you back in yourself. Quick. See, cause like not a drop of rain fall by you. See? So we come across a story where Kartel lawyer says prison transfer in the rain and attempt on his life. So because see what go on here. Prominent attorney at law Isaac Buchanan has labeled the sudden transfer of high-profile prisoner Vybz Kartel from Horizon Remand Center to Tower Street Adult Correctional Center, formerly General Penitentiary, is an attempt on his life. The incarcerated Palmer, whose real name is Adidja Palmer, the incarcerated entertainer, whose real name is Adidja Palmer, was transferred on Thursday, transferring Mr. Palmer in the rain, causing him to get wet. Given his medical condition, is an attempt on his life, Buchanan told Loop News on Thursday evening. It is deliberate or negligent and unacceptable, Buchanan insisted. The attorney said no reason was given for the Department of Correctional Service for the transfer, or by the Department of Correctional Service for the transfer. His case is before the highest court of this land. I am very disappointed that taxpayers' money is being wasted for a fishing expedition and PR stunt. The move comes following the hearing of an interview on Fox 5 by his fiancée, as well as the eve of the anniversary of his arrest 11 years ago. Buchanan said Kartel's transfer came right after it was revealed during a Fox 5 New York interview that Vybz Kartel was now engaged to Turkish social worker Sidem Öztürk. Öztürk told journalist Lisa Evers that she and Kartel got engaged in the summer of 2022 during an authorized prison visit. I urge all Jamaicans to download The True Religion, a tribute to Sidem, which comes out tonight at 11 p.m. It's a really good love story, Buchanan said. Vybz Kartel is awaiting the outcome of his appeal at the Privy Council in the UK. He has been in prison since 2011 for the murder of a man named Clive Lizard William, along with his co-accused following artist Sean Storm. Fellow artist Sean Storm and two others. Yeah. So like that. See, Vybz Kartel got transferred back to GP General Penitentiary, the Tower Street Adult Facility. See. And for real, may I say, in a sum of the Isaac Buchanan rhetoric them, me kind of agree. No, I can't agree, but me, again, know what I go on. Because most we can say is that it look like some serious reason why them have to move him. You know, see, particularly, I don't think the storm would have been a reason because the storm would have passed by them, but I don't know. You know, see, some serious reason because water don't make rain wet prisoner. Totally against them protocol and them thing there. I don't know why you always hear them running a quarrel with one another. You can't make rain with the queen prisoner them. Back in my time I was the queen, now I'm the king. You know, see, you know, say you can't make rain with the king prisoner. The king prisoner inside and them look sort of sitting there. So when I said all the time you feel like somebody care about you. I mean I know the reason why. It's like, you know, we know so when rain fall upon you a blessing. You know, see it. That's how we see it when like rain just come upon you suddenly and things like that, man. Say blessing and wait. So the only reason why that we as prisoners to them boy that other than the rain wet we look at them why we get that and the blessing. The run get black back underneath the cell and things like that. Soon as it dark up, you see. You never never see it happen yet. I never see prisoner get wet in the rain or GP yet. See, so it kind of a custodial condition, you know, see. And you see it happen there because I'm saying get wet up in the rain and I'm 68 and can't get a GP. We don't know why. Usually, for that happen, it have to be a serious reason. Like probably, you know, everybody can come up with any reason still, but attempt on your life and things like that could be a true threat to him. Somewhat them perceive some sort of threat to him and things like that. So they have to pack him up and move him by all costs, by all means. You know, see, I doubt very much because him released the new song when him True Religion the night before. Seen or this night, cause today not the day. It would have easier. You can't move him from Horizon and can't got GP if you stop that or prevent that. You got GP, it easier happen and happen more time over and over and them sort of thing. Their album and then sitting there going release now from GP. You see it easier. So that couldn't be the reason. And it couldn't be the Lisa Evers thing, because bigger than that go on already, and them claim that that's why them did move him already from Spanish Town and carry him go with him there. I came from the prison where him did the got Horizon Park. You know, see. But for whatever reason, to me, this look like it a wind down, you know. It look like the way him they wind down. The Privy Council business are wind down and them have some sort of, you know, indication say that I go on. So them have to move him from it's like they move him back from the lockdown, the lockout really the regime there where it was very rare where usually in the media and upon social media and them sort of something there. You know, see. So it's like cause to be fair, this when you're in a GP, even though it's still in a lockdown and thing like that, but the rule, be it the rules and the regulation, I not say livable and acceptable, but it's a more routine where it create, you know, you have a system in your brain where you know, say, I saw it go and this happen and, you know, you can streamline. You know, but when you're at jail, I don't know about Horizon and jail and them things there. When they're them things impromptu, things just happen, things, you know? Yeah, come like police, just freestyle. See, and not that in a bad way for hurt or injury, you know, but we attack with certain things. You know, see? So, it's kind of different. I wouldn't think it as a punishment. I wouldn't look upon it as a punishment for move from Horizon to General Penitentiary. Because, like I say, the processing that's in a GP is standard and things like that. And it would, you know, unless them create a special cell. By now, them prepare a special cell where it's impossible for him, you know, make connection by mobile phone, like send out some more tune and them sort of thing. You know, see? But yeah, again, for the big news, the man engaged to you know, basically she sound like English woman still. She sound like a second or third generation Turkish woman who live in Britain and has become English because she working at the system where she what you call it, work with the children, them she a social worker. See, so obviously she got a school, she educated in Britain and things like that. She sound quite English as far as I'm concerned, but I don't know what that look. Shorty, I say, how that look for Shorty? You know, see, at the end of the day, the man always talk about him Shorty, we don't know how for fault. I don't think of him fault in a prison why him just left. I just married, you know. Why, you know, what go on with Shorty, with Shorty there? You know, see? I know this look weird. It don't look no weird. Because, I even say it look weird. It's not anything can happen to. We don't know what people do. We don't know if people they come to some rational agreement or whatever. The man just decides, yo, can't bother with the fake body, you know, Shorty, and the fake bleaching and them sort of thing there, you know. You hold on upon something where can't lose our colour. Always not gonna have this high bright colour. Cause that she aspire to if that are the case, you know, see, why not get the original and forget about the carbon copy or have the carbon copy as a we don't know what go on. We just assume regarding the relationship. But we know what go on with the prison system as it's explained there, so, and like we try to show you from our experience, yeah, one of the last thing that happened to a prisoner, particularly in a GP when I was there, you know, see, you can't get no prisoner out there in the rain. What a lose work for them sort of thing there. You know, see, never see a prisoner with flu yet a GP. You will see with cold and them thing there, you know, that's how it goes. Cold, nobody cares, like it's like that, just happen. Nobody can stop that from ready for happen, particularly the Jamaica. You know, see, because the dust of Jamaica where Africa sign out and them sort of thing. Them little thing there, you'll catch cold, but flu, where you usually come through some, you know, yeah, you never really say a man them thing. So no know what go on. As far as you're concerned, a better life, they move him gone too. From waiting him there. You know? That's a but can I chat off him more, you know, we can't agree with what say it's an attempt on Vybz Kartel life. When you know say these things are not practiced. Seeing these things are not something that happen. Seeing so probably is a way of preventing an attempt on him life. When I suspect, you know, whereas the man Shorty is a little thing there. Shorty out there have the money, man. Shorty have the money out there, they never know what Shorty can do with it. See? And probably the system becomes a whole of some sort of plan. Probably the system becomes aware of some sort of attempt on him life. It's true why they have to move him so suddenly and desperately because it's not something where them do. They have a plan and prepare for them thing. Them thing not happen every day. So it would be wrong there so and say, you know, without an explanation. You see, if them can't give an official explanation like a guy, if you try to find out what going on, a guy just drop him shoulder and now explain to you why and or any reason why. You know? Again, through intelligence purpose, investigator purpose and things like that, a guy might not, you know, reveal certain information. Because they don't know, can't make certain things reach in the public space unless while the investigation will be in process. You know, like to find out who set up who pay who and all them sort of things. That's if that's the case. We just assume the part there. Don't feel no way about that. We just assume we say, wow, I wouldn't do that without serious reason. And one of the serious reasons them would have been, you know, a perceived attempt on someone's life in them custody. They would have rather transfer you in the rain. Even though I've never seen it happen before, but you know, desperate times call for desperate measures. And nobody wouldn't really even Kartel himself, why you don't want to move, you don't want to stay there, you know, tangling with no man and have no attempt on your life. No man and steal. You see it. And as I say, we don't know what the condition inside are. They arise in places like so. We just say, yeah, it could be any reason why they move him. Probably one of the most likely reasons I feel. You know? I don't think it's an attempt on him life still, because that in itself, too much career, I got done this. So, you see, the prison system, you have some big guys, some top man in the prison, like the green suit, them, and not just water. You have superintendent, high-ranking people where if they give the okay for them thing and happen. You see, a man can't just, water can't just feel like, say, or Kartel can't just, see, buy somebody for the, you have some serious man who go way up at top, way up. Kartel a high-profile prison as a matter of fact. A ministry that I come from, see. I don't know if it's because of the storm and the facility has been compromised somewhat. Horizon Park has been compromised somewhat, so they had us to move him to GP. I come like when no matter what sort of natural anomaly or natural thing going your GP turn up. You know, nothing no shake GP. I don't know how or why, like the 1,000-year-old building there. Rasta. You see, that even earthquake no shake it. So, you know, more than likely them would have carried back this as a more suitable or a safer location for house him. You know, which is the case of the highest security prison in Jamaica. Probably in the Caribbean too. You see. So, you know, it's a weird move, you know, unusual move. Unusual, quite unusual. You know, weird given the atmosphere, you know, says storm and go on. But if it says a attempt on him life, it's a lot. It says a lot. Like me say, that's how him lie access still. See? But probably it's to prevent an attempt on him life. That's something where me would have say. See? So I eat that. We give thanks. Our opinion that on the issue. You know, see, Rastafari.